Hi, it's Mobility Matt from the City of Fremont's Department of Public Works. In a continuous effort to make our streets safer for all roadway users, the city is installing new signs and traffic control devices. Today we'll be going over how to use yield markers and flashing beacons. Flashing beacons are warning beacons installed at uncontrolled crossing locations. Flashing beacons use rapidly flashing lights to alert drivers when pedestrians are ready to cross. When a pedestrian is ready to cross at a crosswalk with a flashing beacon, the pedestrian must initiate the flashing beacon by pressing the pedestrian crossing button. Pedestrians should always make eye contact with motorists and then begin to enter the crosswalk. When a motorist approaches a flashing beacon that is flashing, the motorist should stop behind the yield lines marked on the roadway until all pedestrians have cleared the crosswalk. Once all pedestrians have cleared, the motorist can continue. Motorists should not speed through the crosswalk without slowing down. Motorists should not try to cut off a pedestrian entering the crosswalk. Motorists should not cross the yield lines or encroach into the pedestrian space at the crosswalk. Yield markers are warning signs placed on flexible posts in the roadway at medians or lane lines. Yield markers highlight the presence of crossing locations and remind road users of the laws of right-of-way at pedestrian crossings. When a pedestrian is ready to cross at a location with yield markers, the pedestrian should approach the crosswalk, check for motorists, make eye contact with the motorists, and then begin to enter the crosswalk. Pedestrians should not enter the crosswalk without making eye contact with motorists. When a motorist approaches a crosswalk with yield markers, the motorist should slow down and look for pedestrians. If pedestrians are not present, the motorist may continue through the crosswalk without stopping. If pedestrians are present, the motorist should stop behind the yield lines and make eye contact with pedestrians to let them know it is okay to cross. Motorists should not continue through the crosswalk without slowing down. Motorists should not speed up in order to cut off pedestrians before they enter the crosswalk. These street improvements are part of the city's efforts to make getting around a smoother and safer experience for all users. To learn more and to see additional videos about other treatments, visit our website at www.fremont.gov/Vision0 2020.